welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I'm going to show you how to do the decal and how to do the stamping with the 3 colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so this water decal, it's from KREATIONS. I'm going to do a Little Mermaid theme. So I'm gonna cut this off right now. Doesn't matter how much space I have because I'm gonna cut around it, because you're supposed to cut it as close as possible to the image so that you don't have too much clear around it. So I'm just gonna cut off a little bit off the sides so I can have a little bit to grab onto. And I already dipped my nails. I dipped with A Whole New World. It's a thermal from SUNDARA nails. Okay, I'm gonna get some water, and I use a little silicone cupcake liner. You could use a bowl, anything you like. Put a little bit of water inside, and I'm gonna let it soak in the water for a couple minutes while I apply my top coat on my nails. And usually it just separates on its own. You can also use tweezers to separate it after a couple minutes soaking, or just your fingers will separate it. But I let it soak for a little bit. See, it's already off. So I'm doing my top coat, my gel top coat from REVEL nail. I don't have SUNDARA nails yet. Someday I'll get some gel top coat from there. Okay, there you go. So it's already soaked off. I'm gonna use a ice cube stamper from MANIOLOGY. I find it's easier to apply it on my nail. So I'm going to take it out of the water with some tweezers, and I'm going to put it onto my paper towel to remove the water. Just go gently. I try to grab it from the clear on the side so I don't scratch it. After it's dry, I'll use my stamper to just gently pick it up. And you can see it's folded a little bit. KREATIONS recommends you put it back in the water. I just take a brush with some water and just like unfold it like that. And that always works for me. And then I usually just dry it off with a lint-free wipe. There we go. And now I'm just gonna apply it straight onto my nail. I don't have to do any prep. I'm putting it on top of my top coat, straight down, just like a regular stamp. There you go. That's it. Oh, let's go gentle, and I pull it up. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna use a silicone tool just to like smooth out the decal. I have a couple of wrinkles there, so I'm just going to smooth it out. There you go. I've never used anything else. I don't know if you could use your finger or a brush. Just always had this on hand. You could just get it on Amazon. I'll put, again, a link down below. There we go. It's so pretty. It really completes the manicure. There you go. No wrinkles. I'm going to add my top coat. I use my gel tack-free top coat from REVEL nail. And when you apply it, I try to take a big dollop and just put on, just so I don't move it around. And I'm not pushing it on my nail. I'm just sliding it down, just a liquid, gentle, like that. See, there you go, on the side. I'll show you how it goes. You're just like pushing it down. You're not sliding it down, wiping it down. And that is it. I'm gonna cure and I will be finished. Now I'll show you. I just found out how to zoom in. So I'm gonna show you how I do the stamping with the 3 colors. I use this MANIOLOGY plate, XL to 11, I think. Try to put a lot of polish. I'm gonna start with the blue. I have some gold. There we go. I'll do another swipe. That's maybe another color. There we go. And try to work fast because it'll dry and it won't pick up the whole image. I'm gonna get my scraper, scrape 45-degree angle, scrape down. I'm gonna scrape twice, 1 and 2, and it mixes up the colors perfectly. I'm gonna get my stamper. I go straight down, and there you go. I picked up the image. It's so pretty. Look at all the colors. Definitely looks like mermaid scales. I'm gonna clean it up with a sticky roller. You can use tape as well. And then I'm gonna apply it onto my nail. Again, I already have my gel top coat on top of it. Just in case I make a mistake and I want to erase it. But it looks perfect just like that. Don't worry if you get some around your nail. You could use some latex, some liquid latex, like I've shown in my last video. You could check that out. Or you could just take a brush with some nail polish remover. I have a non-acetone one, and just brush it right off. And then I'm gonna apply my gel top coat. There we go, gently. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video.